another unboxing. Today, we're going to be unboxing a set of kitchen or restaurant knives. The brand name of these knives is Paudin, P-A-U-D-I-N, I believe is the brand name. We're going to unbox these. We're going to do a first time use and a review of these knives. We're going to be making a salad today. Miss Betty makes a very, very nice Rotini salad. I want to point this out in this video. Most of these ingredients are Canadian. There are no USA ingredients on this table. We have peppers from Mexico. We have tomatoes from Mexico. We have a red onion from Ontario. We have ham that's going in this salad, also from Ontario. We have Rotini Noodles, product of Canada. And as I said a few minutes ago, every one of these ingredients that go in this salad is Canadian. And here's my Canada hat and our logo, GBL, the old church, 5 Acre Homestead. Join me for this unboxing. For the unboxing part of this video, we're using a DeWalt utility knife. I'm just going to cut a slit in this package to make it easy for opening. And of course, as always, I'm going to be trying to be safe. I'm going to cut away from myself to get at the contents inside this large package. Okay, so again, here's the package from inside the package right there. So let's zoom in to get the brand name, and it's Paudin, P-A-U-D-I-N, and I'm going to be using, as I said, my utility knife to open this package. Right. This is a set of carving knives, and I do believe there's 2 there, but we'll see very, very shortly. Okay, it looks like a very interesting package. Okay, now, okay, zoom in there, Miss Betty, because I do think it just pushes out. Maybe not. Here we go. Here we go. Have a look. Okay, so this comes with some interesting manuals, I suppose. A warranty card as well. Okay, it's just a one large carving knife. So it's a large carving knife, and that is just a safety sleeve that goes on the knife when not being used, just to cover up the blade like that. There you go. Now, I'm going to use this knife, as I said, to cut up some of these veggies and the ham for the salad that Miss Betty is going to be making very, very soon. So again, though, there's the brand name, Paudin. A very nice knife. Looks like a 10-inch knife. Okay, so we're going to get started now with cutting some of these veggies and the ham, and we're going to try this knife out to see if it's up to scratch or if it's a really, really good knife or not. So bear with me. I'm going to open up some of these packages. I could probably use the knife for that. Now, I won't cut all this up, but I'll try a piece of pepper, and I'll try a tomato. It's cutting that pretty sharply. Try one tomato. And again, the tomatoes and the peppers come from Mexico. I'll cut a little bit of the red onion. That's a product of Ontario. Let's try that. Zoom in there now, Miss Betty. Let's see if it does a good job or not. Seems to slice it pretty good. See how thin I can get it. Nice, eh? Okay, I'll cut the pepper. Look at that. It's cutting really neat. It is quite sharp. I should try a little piece of paper. Here's the tomato. Look at that. It's slicing it really nice, eh? Awesome indeed. Okay, now let me try the ham to see how that goes. Okay. Being very careful because I don't want to cut myself. This is a Canadian product again. Slices of ham. Okay, just gonna cut it into cubes. Okay, doing a pretty neat job, I do think. Not bad at all. Okay, so there you have it, folks. It's doing a pretty good job. Okay, so again, here's the knife. Again, the brand name is Paudin, P-A-U-D-I-N. It is a 10-inch knife, and it was able to cut the tomatoes and the peppers and the onions and the ham pretty decently, I do think. We'll be cutting some cheese shortly, and we'll be cooking the macaroni to make the salad. And we'll come back toward the end with the salad all made for a final few video clips. So come back, folks, and join us for the rest of this unboxing and first time use and a review of this 10-inch knife by Paudin. Let's go.